Good morning, afternoon or evening, depending where you're watching this video. I'd like to talk or explain a little bit about key safes. Now, the purpose of a key safe is to provide access without anybody else, like the property owners being there, or in the case of the elderly or vulnerable, carers can come in without you being present. The importance of security behind the key safe is pretty much as your front door. If you have a weak lock on your front door, it's vulnerable to attack. The same principles apply to a key safe. Now, the particular one I have here is a Burton's Digital XL, which you can see it's quite a heavy unit, it's quite robust, simple to operate, simple to open. The coding itself to change the numbers lies under here, and you can see how it operates with the small tongue that comes out. Obviously this is an issue 8, which I'll go into a bit further, and it's an A3 rating on the LPS, which is Loss Prevention Standard. How come to me? Yeah, so when you get this particular safe, it comes with a weatherproof cover which mounts to the wall. The safe mounts through that, and then obviously you just cover the front up. It comes with all the instructions that, in the box. It comes with all the fastenings and a screwdriver bit, so you can take the cover off, adjust the code to your own personal preference, and then pop it back on, and the job's done. It's really simple and easy to use. It's a secured by design key safe, so basically what it means is it's been approved by this particular body of people. Now, you have the Supra C500, I think it's P500 or a P800, I'm not too sure, also Supra, and then you have the Burton's Digital XL. They're the only ones that I know of, or that I'm aware of, that have secure by design accreditation. Both Supras have an issue 6, so basically, like the British standard changes over the years, so do your issue ratings for the loss prevention standard. Issue 8 is the latest one. Now, the issue 6 on the Supra is an A1, so that means it uses toolbox A for 1 minute of sustained attack. This is issue 8, so it's a newer issue, and it's an A3. So again, it uses the same toolbox as is the Supra, but it withstands an attack of 3 minutes. So obviously this is the better one, in my opinion, the better one on the market currently. The ratings go from A to H for your toolbox. So for example, you might have different tools in the different letter categories, followed by a number, which is the length of attack it can withstand within that test. So I think it goes up to 20 minutes. Again, safes and safe work are not my area of expertise, but that's what I've read, so I'm passing that information on to yourselves. So yeah, I mean, I've fitted a few of these Burton safes so far. I've got a few in stock. So basically, if you need anything, you want to know anything regarding the key safe, please comment, talk to me, whatever you want to do. Yeah, it's down to you. In my opinion, I would go for the secure by design. The higher rated, they are more money. You are getting a better quality product. You're getting a more secure product. You wouldn't put a £10 lock on a £1 million house. It just doesn't equate. You want the best locks to secure what your property. any questions you have on key safes, if I can answer it, I will. If I can find out for you, I will. Obviously, like I said, safes and safe work are not my area of expertise. I'm a general locksmith, residential, commercial. So that's my job, that's what I do. If I can answer it, and answer it honestly and correctly, more importantly, I will answer those questions. And if you do need any products or advice on products, whether it's commercial locks, residential locks, or window repairs, I've got a problem with this window, blah blah blah, come and talk to me. Alright, take care guys, have a good day, and enjoy the next lockdown. Goodbye!